You happy now? Hey!
I told you it comes at 8.
No, it came 7:30 last week on Friday. Major day. That's good. See what time it is. 8 o'clock. Came around 8 o'clock. No, we were here 45 minutes. Plenty of time. Da, 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 da. I think this one's going to be longer than the one we saw Saturday, that last one. Remember that one was short. Oh, there's a horse's head on the over that white lettering right there. Watch it. See it on top of the white lettering, and black horse's head.
I know.
See the horse's head?
Mm-hmm.
You see it? It's right at the end of each car, where it says NS.
It is.
Yeah, where it says NS. There's the horse's head. Here comes the scrappy cars. Beat up for years and years.
Yep. Scrappy cars.
Where are you going?
Nowhere.
What, I can't figure out what they write on here. The wood. The wood. I can't. Too fast. I can't figure it out. Baby something. FJB. What's that? I can't tell what that's. E or something. Faster now. Look at them. They're flying by now. Better not fall off the track, because if it does, we're done for. Because we're too close. That was a long one.
My train!
That was a long one, man. That was a long one.
Don't move, please don't move. Don't watch them.
Oh, okay. Wait till the gates come down. That was a long one.